A clutch is a mechanical device which engages and disengages power transmission, especially from the driving shaft to driven shaft. In the simplest application, clutches connect and disconnect two rotating shafts. In these devices, one shaft is typically attached to an engine or other power units while the other shaft provides output power for work. While typically the motions involved are rotary, linear clutches are also possible. In a torque control drill, for instance, one shaft is driven by a motor and the other drives a drill chuck. The clutch connects the two shafts so they may be locked together and spin at the same speed, locked together but spinning at different speeds, or unlocked and spinning at different speeds. Friction clutches. The vast majority of clutches ultimately rely on frictional forces for their operation. The purpose of friction clutches is to connect a moving member to another that is moving at a different speed or stationary, often to synchronize the speeds, and/or to transmit power. Usually, as little slippage as possible between the two members is desired. Multiple plate clutch. This type of clutch has several driving members interleaved or stacked with several driven members. It is used in racing cars including Formula 1, IndyCar, World Rally and even most club racing. Multi-plate clutches see much use in drag racing, which requires the best acceleration possible, and is notorious for the abuse the clutch is subjected to. Thus, they can be found in motorcycles, in automatic transmissions and in some diesel locomotives with mechanical transmissions. It is also used in some electronically controlled all-wheel drive systems as well as in some transfer cases. They can also be found in some heavy machinery such as tanks and AFVs and earth-moving equipment, as well as components in certain types of limited-slip differentials. Centrifugal clutch. A centrifugal clutch is used in some vehicles and also in other applications where the speed of the engine defines the state of the clutch, for example, in a chainsaw. This clutch system employs centrifugal force to automatically engage the clutch when the engine RPM rises above a threshold and to automatically disengage the clutch when the engine RPM falls low enough.